In this video we are going to see some amazing crafty ideas, so let's get started. First we make this beautiful flower from this waste mask. Here our beautiful flower is ready. This time we use balloon and cotton for making this beautiful pumpkin. Also a best one for Halloween. How to use fruit nut for making this beautiful craft. Our beautiful cone is ready. This basket is so easy to make. We use ytshorts in making them. Add some flowers for beauty. How to make a colorful sparrows. Here's our beautiful sparrow piece ready. This time we use satin ribbon for making these beautiful flowers. This is a essence tape we used in it. A red fruit nut we used for making this beautiful leaf. This time we use this pink color ribbon for making this beautiful flower. Time for making a beautiful tissue paper flower. It is so easy to make. These strawberries are made with the help of these fruit nut. Yum yum. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching with us. Have a good day.